Hi all, my name is Milena Pajic, and thank you for joining me on my course Business Analysis Capturing and Designing Requirements. The main topics that we will cover in the course include the tasks Specify and Model Requirements, Verify Requirements, Validate Requirements, Define Requirements Architecture, Define Design Options, and Analyze Potential Value and Recommend Solution. The folks who can benefit from the course are business professionals that possess different competencies, knowledge, and skills, such as understanding of system engineering concepts, the ability to conduct cost-benefit analysis, business case development, modeling techniques and methods, leadership, and project management. Plus, the course can help people who work with business analysts to better understand the required set of skills in their scope of work. The goal of the course is to provide assistance with the IABA certification, but also to offer further professional development for those who have already earned their certificates. To make it more interesting, we'll follow senior and junior business analysts with their software product development team and dive into scenarios applicable to your projects. This course will help you round the requirements analysis and design definition knowledge area consisting of iterative activities, from the business needs analysis to the transformation into a specific recommended solution. Moreover, this course will help you prepare for the IABA certification by using effective and motivating memorization techniques. Plus, you can earn Professional Development Units, PDUs, and Continuing Developing Units, CDUs, by completing this course. Enjoy the journey ahead and embrace the opportunity to expand your skill set.